Wonderful morning, my dear children and my beloved teachers. This is the day God has given us to celebrate 80th Independence Day. My dear children, I will give you few message about Independence Day. India became free on 15th August 1947. Thanks brave freedom fighters. It reminds children that freedom means being able to learn, dream, and play, and encourages them to be responsible citizens by studying hard, helping others, and respecting the national flag. My dear children, one cannot live without freedom. We have earned right to be prosperous and free to call this nation our home. Happy Independence Day. May God bless you. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you once again. Thank you.